Usually when people hear the word screen time, they think that means children on an iPad, a phone, a computer, or a gaming console. During this presentation, I will concentrate on how screen time affects adults in their daily lives. I chose this topic because I feel that screen time is not just a problem affecting children. It affects people of all ages. I think that when we become adults, we tend to think that certain situations do not affect us, and this is not the case. What exactly is screen time? Screen time is any time that a person is in front of any lit screen, including TVs. This can be any time spent on your phone or even your computer at work or school. Many adults reach their max screen time amount during their workday and should limit their screen time out of work, not to mention the time they spend on their phones on their breaks or lunch after work. While many people enjoy their time on their devices, it can also be dangerous. Some common misconceptions that are shared within the public are: screen time is only for playing video games or scrolling social media. Large amounts of screen time only have negative effects on children. Being in front of the screen for work does not count towards the max amount of time one should spend on the screen per day. And the time will not have any lasting effects on adults because their brain chemistry has already developed. The facts related to this issue are very cut and dry. The amount of time spent looking at any backlit screen can affect your eyes, your sleep, or even your BMI. Retina damage, lack of sleep from the blue light projected from these screens, and stagnant lifestyle can come from being on these devices and can affect any person's life in a negative way. Living a stagnant lifestyle can lead to being overweight, muscle and joint pain, as well as depression. An overabundance of screen time can lead to eye problems, dry irritation, strain, fatigue, blurry vision, nearsightedness, and retinal damage. A sedentary lifestyle, which can be attributed to using screens too often, is engaging in little to no activity and can lead to obesity and disease. Insomnia and poor sleep can come from the blue light. Blue light can interfere with melatonin production and can lead to insomnia. While I was researching this topic, I came across some information that shocked me. I had no idea that screen time could be so addictive. The release of dopamine that can be released in some people can be so intense that it could interfere with their work and relationships. Also, if you tend to hunch over or slouch as you are on your devices, you can put major strain on your muscles, neck, and back. I am sure during this presentation, some people are thinking, I don't spend too much time on my devices, I'm not worried. Even if you think this, keep in mind there are a couple of small changes that can be made to help decrease the effect in your life. Turning off notifications so that you don't feel the need to always be checking your device. Take TVs out of bedrooms in your home so when you go to bed, you get quality sleep, and removing the emitting blue light. Track the amount of time that you spend on your devices and keep your devices away during meals. If sitting down with your family or friends, take the time to enjoy their company and don't allow your devices to get in the way.